You may be one of these parents. My daughter doesn't test well. Good student, but she freaks out on standardized tests. Does that describe someone in your family? Or our son knows his stuff, but gets distracted by what's going on in the room on a standardized test. There is an antidote, and it's been around for a long time. But frankly, COVID suppression of testing has driven a better test environment. Welcome to SureSight. We have the test environment that your sons and daughters want. It can be severe if that's what motivates your kid to do his best. If he wants a poster of a drill sergeant hanging in front of him, fine. If she's inspired by an athlete, fine. If he or she wants to emulate someone successful, fine. If your student wants to be in the most relaxed of environments, it's not a problem. And that means her study spot, your living room, your son's bedroom, all of them are in play. It's fine. He doesn't even have to clean up his room, okay? Proctors might see it, but we don't care. Ultimately, the colleges care about how you test. And almost everything in life prefers that you test at your best. SureSight allows this. Professional life has been making stride after stride to have their employees be comforted in their work because they're more productive. Colleges have allowed students lots of leeway. They will welcome a student who is showing her or his best. They actually always have, but the College Board has been under constraints. There's been severeness imposed on every single student. Some of it was because of security concerns. Well, those are almost gone because of easy monitoring. At SureSight, we take care of that to prevent against cheating. Meanwhile, students can be at their best. Look, for a long time, there have been some students who have been homebound, couldn't go out on test day. Of late, there are students who need to be homebound, concerned about going out anywhere, whether it's test day or not. We facilitate these students' success. I expect many sons and daughters are going to welcome the opportunity to show what they can do in the most comfortable of environments. And just to make one thing very down to earth, on the real test, students have to sit in place, feverishly awaiting, well, directions from a proctor. Feverishly, or maybe with dread, awaiting the starting gun. And whether they take off well or feel like, oh my God, I shouldn't be here, we're not in Kansas anymore, it impedes a lot of students. What a SureSight starts with is no proctor reading directions. Kids read them on their own, at their own pace. If they need to reread something, they have 30 minutes to do it. Some kids will read the directions in 2 minutes, and they can start when they want. Okay? An open and ample window to begin the clock and end the clock. Meanwhile, if a student, and this happens, test approaching, I gotta go to the bathroom. Maybe they do, maybe they don't, but they are certainly not ready to start a serious test. They can get up, readjust, visit the bathroom if they want, sit down once again, and once they are ready to go, start. We hope you're ready to go. It's the least daunting test ever invented on a standardized level. We welcome you to SureSight. Thanks for listening.